Amazon. If you were to ask the average person what first comes to their mind when they hear the term, it's likely the biggest shopping platform in the world. The online giant earned more than $469 billion in annual sales for 2021 and ranks third on Forbes' Fortune 500 list. Would you like to know how to start selling on Amazon? It's not a big deal, actually. My name is Alicia, and in this video, I'm going to tell you how to start on this lucrative e-commerce platform. The first step you would need to do is to go to the FBA page. You can find this link to Fulfillment by Amazon page in the video description or find it yourself. Either way, once you are on the page, you'll need to click Sign Up. The next step would be to create an account. On the login page, you'll want to click on Create your Amazon account at the bottom. The third step is to create your login. Like with any website, you should create a username, specify the email, and come up with an account password to set up an account. Step number 4 is to verify your email address. You will receive a code to the email you specified earlier so that Amazon knows that it's indeed yours. The fifth step is to get verified. And you are set. For all FBA partners, Amazon requires a verification process. In other words, Amazon needs to ensure you are a legitimate seller on the platform with an actual business. As a part of that process, Amazon will possibly contact you to verify your ID and business and ask for business documents and your personal ID, in addition to a credit card and phone number. After this process, you will be able to log in and view your dashboard on Seller Central. Step number 6 is choosing your plan type. Part of the appeal of being an Amazon seller is that the platform caters to you and your business needs. And that starts with selecting an individual or professional plan. Know that it's not free to sell on Amazon. With the individual plan, you'll have to pay 99 cents per item fee. This is a great starter plan if you're unsure what your selling volume will be. With the professional plan, which is a subscription, you pay $39.99 per month, with 0 per item fees. This professional plan is ideal if you know you sell high volume and can make over $40 a month. Seventh step is to get situated on Seller Central. Once you are verified, signing in gives you access to your main control center of sorts. Seller Central. Here you can manage your inventory, make product updates, make payments, get insight into customer statistics, and much more. Step number 8 is to list products. After you explore Seller Central, it's time to start creating listings for your items. From a catchy title to detailed description, creating a listing is your chance to distinguish your item from that of competitors. You will also need some specifics such as SKU, global trade item number, GTIN, product images, and search terms and keywords. The 9th step is to select your fulfillment option. When selling on Amazon, you have 2 options to fulfill your orders. The first is via Fulfillment by Amazon. Probably this is the most common choice because FBA lets Amazon take control of the packaging, labeling, and shipping of your products. All you have to do is to coordinate with Amazon to deliver your inventory to one of its warehouses where everything will be taken care of. The second way is via merchant fulfillment. If you opt for merchant fulfillment, it means you will handle all the logistics of getting your orders out to your customers. Amazon will charge you for shipping and base rate of the product category of the item sold, and the shipping service selected by the customer. And step number 10 is to see your sales and stats in Seller Central. Once you have completed a sale, your earnings will show up in Seller Central. And as you continue to make sales with time, you'll start seeing trend graphs and numbers related to your fulfillment, customer satisfaction, and much more. These stats will help you improve things to become a better seller. Don't hesitate to check out Amazon Seller University for guidance. They've got plenty of amazing tips and tricks that can be extremely useful along your way. Now you know how to start selling on Amazon. As you can see, getting started and situated as an Amazon seller isn't hard, but there are some learning curves and fees involved. Does it sound interesting? Feel free to book a free consultation with us and learn everything about e-commerce with Amazon or without Amazon. There are many ways to succeed, and we at Salvia know what keys work and what don't. The link is in the description. I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Feel free to leave your questions or feedback in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!